Hello, welcome. Let's have a look at this question as the continuation of the tutorial on the mechanic dynamics. The episode number 2, we started equations of motion. We want to take a question to text some of those equations that we mentioned. So we have a body initially traveling at 10 meters per second is giving a retardation of 2 meters per second squared for 3 seconds. We have to find its final velocity. So here, what we need to know is traveling with initial velocity. This is the initial velocity. So I have my u equals to 10 meters per second. Then, from this information, I also have acceleration. But remember, this acceleration is retardation, reduction. The velocity is reducing. Therefore, it's going to be negative 2 meters per second squared. Then I also have the time given to me in 3 seconds. So these 3 information given remaining the final velocity which we are looking for. So which of the equations, the first 2, 3 equations that we have, do you think can be applicable for this equation? I'm pausing for a time, think about it, then come back, let's continue. We can see that we have initial, final, time, and acceleration. Therefore, I go for the first equation. V, let me just say, from V equals to U plus what? AT. I am only going to do substitution to find the final velocity where the initial is what? 10 plus. Acceleration is what? Negative 2. The time is what? 3. So let's go 10 minus 6. That gives us what? 4. Velocity, meter per seconds. You can see if you know the information as the preamble and identify which of the equation, the calculation becomes a lot easier. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and come back for episode number